Hello guys, today I will be showing you how I made my Christmas list and avoid this month. So you idea help me grab a time. So like so let me get into it and then set a character block to the projectile right here. Set it to just set it to Here is any effect you want. I don't know. Reverse mode. Reverse. So I have the I have the truth is 25. So like how about you class and then we set the tab to whatever it must be above the project tab. No, below the project tab once it's together the same. And then I'll do it to position for so because it's just a tutorial. You can do any positions you want, any size you want, any rotations you want. Just remember that it has to be damage. Okay, so potential elimination. Some doesn't matter. There are some ideas for 15. This is not potential. You have to do a negative 2 because it has to be smooth. You have to do attack type project like bullet. And then you have to do black anything you want. For this trial, you know, continue temporary black ball. Yeah, there. And then after that, we're done. No, yes, see that? It's not moving. Wait, let me just try it. This is something in the process. Let me do it. Yes, it actually does damage if you see right here. Does damage. Yeah, that's how you use Project Alt. So now I'm gonna be showing you how I made that this month. Execution for everyone. Let's blue for the animation that you have in the thing. Point one rate for the effect to login. Class. Alright, I'm not gonna react now. I'm not gonna react now. I'm just gonna show you. No, this isn't it. You have to count the notes that are in the right time, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So mine is 7, so I put 7. But you have to count yours to know what look back it's supposed to be. You know, sooner or later, like that. Projectile doesn't need to be Sukuna, but I like to copy it. Okay. This you can do anything you want, but just let it do damage. This you need to connect the projectile tag to the project. Yeah. I just doubled it. You can, if you want, you can double it, but I prefer to be one, so it's not complicated. These are just the same, but the rotations are different. This is the after. This is a part 55 and 1.2. What kinds of skills do is you put you put um you put an execution for you know you put execution for the ever put execution for the ever and for the dismantle. And for the ever one, it has to be settled so it doesn't have so you don't have to settle waiting for the execution skill to be for the execution skill to be done. Yeah. That's it for the conditions. None. Normal. And that's all. And now await dismantle. Execution. Normal. Zero. Set the speed to 0. About 15 size. No. I mean color to normal. Like white. Opacity to 0.87. Alt opacity to 1. Alt position to 0.1. So it doesn't follow your character. And size, yeah, everything's normal. No tag. And this is just -80 time 1 fade track, and that's it. Oh yeah, real step animation. 0.75, 0.75 animation. Yeah, that's the time. So you're gonna coordinate that to 0.75 way, and then do the dismantle, yeah, well, exactly slash dismantle. And you have to connect it to you know, to the project file. I'm pretty sure you know everything now. So I just keep it and yeah, 0.68 block and then cancel here. So this does that you don't move while in the frame. Yeah. It's also pretty smooth, not gonna lie. It's, yeah, it's smooth. Also, the conditions for a big dismantle are in air falls, no, in air through. So it doesn't activate on the now. That's it. And watch this full after. Look, man.